Hello, plant cells. Are you looking for structural support, a filtering mechanism, a pressure valve, or protection? If you answer yes to any of these questions, you have come to the right place. Here, at Cell Wall Incorporation, we sell the best cell walls on the market. But why do you need a cell wall? All I need is 2 minutes and you'll be convinced that you need a cell wall. The first thing you might be asking yourself is, where is the cell wall located? The cell wall is located right outside of the cell membrane. It is the outermost part of the cell. The next thing you might be asking yourself is, well, what's the main function of a cell wall? The cell wall doesn't have a main function, but it has so many important functions. The first important function is structural support. This helps the plant keep its shape. The next important function is a filtering mechanism. The cell wall allows objects to flow inside the cell, but the cell membrane ultimately decides whether that object can flow all the way inside the cell or get bounced back outside of the cell. Another important function of the cell wall is a pressure valve. The large vacuole, which is located inside of the cell, stores water. When more water is added to the cell, the internal pressure grows. If the cell wall was not there, then the internal pressure would grow to an amount where the cell would explode. The cell cannot explode because water is needed. The chloroplast, which is the part of the cell that photosynthesizes, needs water. The process of photosynthesis creates food for the plant. This process needs water. If there is no water in the chloroplast, then there is no photosynthesis. Therefore, the plant will not have food. Another question you might be asking yourself is the cell wall needed? Yes, the cell wall is needed, and for the reasons I just explained. But there are more reasons why the cell wall is needed. The cell wall is needed because it protects all the inside parts of the cell. The cell wall has a primary and a secondary wall. This means that the protection is very good. Because of all of its very important functions, the cell wall is needed in every cell. That is why you should go pick yourself up a cell wall. Go to www.cellwall.com and acquire yourself one of the most important parts to the cell. Thank you for watching.